Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be doing some home decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree planters. As you can see, they do carry them in different colors. I chose the grayish color looking one. Now, looking back, I wish I had grabbed in the white one. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top part, actually the bottom part, which that is going to be the top, because I am going to use this upside down. Now, honestly, this is totally option. You can use it as a regular planter. I thought it looked better the other way around. Now, I did use this X-Acto knife that I had, which it wasn't that sharp. That's why I had trouble cutting it, and I accidentally cut a piece off, but then I do end up gluing it back on. Now, I do go back and use these wire cutter scissors to finish cutting the rest. I was having trouble with my little knife. This is a little part I accidentally cut off. I am going to just clean it up and then set it to the side. Now I'm going to use some black paint and draw like a little door. This is going to be a bee house, or I forgot, I don't remember what they're called. Using a smaller paintbrush, I'm going to add the little dots all around. And this is how it turned out. Now I'm going to glue the little piece that I accidentally cut off right back on there using hot glue. Honestly, with the greenery I'm going to add, you're not going to be able to tell this. Now, to decorate it a little more, I will be adding this cute little plant hugger thing that I found at Dollar Tree. Look how cute this thing is. I feel like this went perfect on here. And there you go. Now you have this cute little planter. I will be adding artificial greenery and some of this yellow greenery that I forgot where I got it from. I think it was Walmart, but I felt like this went perfect on here. And that is it. Look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree wood beads and this wooden circle. Now, these are new to Dollar Tree, the bees, and these wooden circles as well. Now, these are way thicker than the ones that they usually carry, which I feel like these are way better quality, and they are great for outdoor. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is use some painter's tape and add it. As you can see, it's not in the center. I added it more to one side. Now, the one that has the one with the left side, hopefully it made sense, but this side I'm going to paint white, and for like the bigger side I am going to paint it yellow. And this is how it turned out. One side is bigger than the other. Now, to decorate this, I will be using the new thing that I found at the Dollar Tree, which is this wooden bee, which I'm going to paint black. And then for like the little details that are 3D, I'm going to paint yellow. Now, to add the bee, I will be using this piece of paint stick. Now you can add a Jenga block, but I had this just right next to me, so that's what I'm using. And then I'm going to add it on one side. I will be adding the words "Be Kind" using the Dollar Tree poster sticker letters. To decorate this a little more, I will be adding the dotted lines to this as well. To finish this off, I will be adding some greenery. This is from Walmart. Dollar Tree carries greenery that you can use instead. I will be making a double bow using the Dollar Tree ribbon. Now, I got this during Halloween, but Dollar Tree carries different ribbons that you can use instead. And that is it, guys. Look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I will be using another bee, and I'm going to paint it the same way I did the other bee. Now this bee, I will be adding it to this hexagon mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the plastic. Now here I did glue it in the center, but I do end up switching it to like one side, which I felt like it looked better. But that is it. This was so simple and easy, and look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I will be using these beads that I got from Dollar Tree. These are beads that I have been collecting. I did make a garland. Then I had these little wooden decor beads that I got last year. I haven't seen them this year, but hopefully they do carry some of these, which I'm going to add to one end, and then to the other end of my garland, I made a tassel. Now this bee was black, and I decided to add some yellow details just like the other beads. And that was it. Look how cute this turned out. And that is it for today. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.